Hi guys, welcome to Upjada. So in this one, we're going to talk about style directives, which is newly added to Svelte. It is pretty much like class directive. The way you use that is, instead of class, you have style here and then a colon and then the property you want to apply. Let's say you want to apply color and then you can mention the color that you want to apply. Now you can have multiple of this. Let's say I want a background color as well. I can have something like background color. And then I can mention the color as after the equals here, something like maybe black, right? So it will apply. So if you are applying like something like a hex code, you probably have to use hashes here. Let's say hash 333. So that would work. I recommend use only maybe one of them, which is like really required to put it in the element itself. So otherwise you can just use the style tags. Now this can be a little useful in case of loops. So let's say I have something like let colors equals, I have like multiple colors, let's say red and then green, maybe let's do RGB blue. Now if I have a loop here, each colors as color, and now we'll end the loop. This red color is hard coded, so instead we can use like curly braces here and make it a variable, and then it will look for the elements here, and then it will change accordingly. This is very useful. I'll just remove the name here, and this is how style directives work. So while we are discussing styles, I will also discuss one more thing, which is passing style properties to components, usually from the parent. Now let's see how we can pass that. This works with custom props or custom variables, CSS for custom variables. Now let's imagine for this h1 I have a style here, or in the root I will mention that as in a property I'll mention that as dash text color as red, right? Now I can apply this to h1, something like this, color variable dash text color. So this is plain CSS. It's nothing related to Svelte yet. But now imagine there is a component which is a child component, and it also has something like a paragraph of something. We'll get the paragraph here in a way. So script import child from ./child.Svelte. Let's have that here. Now we'll use the same variable, which is this, for our paragraph tag as well. So let's say style. Now this is also red. Now imagine from here, from the parent, we want to change that color. Okay, so what we can do is here something like this, text color to blue. Now that changes to blue. So even though it should get the red color, we are overriding that from here, right? So if it works only if you're using custom properties. So I recommend using custom properties a lot because it's easy to maintain your CSS, and also it helps you theme the website better. Okay, that's all for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.